Slide across US asphalt at just 40 miles per hour, and your skin lasts barely 2 seconds unless your jacket saves you. Yet here's the shocking truth. About 70% of riders are unknowingly wearing their motorcycle jackets wrong, turning them into worthless fashion props. One loose cuff, one missing armor pad, one overlooked habit, and your protection won't protect you at all. In this video, we're counting down 9 deadly jacket mistakes quietly killing your safety, and fixing even one today could be the reason you walk away from your next crash. Number 1. Skipping your jacket entirely. The biggest and most dangerous mistake is simply not wearing a jacket at all. Plenty of riders, especially in warm US states, still ride in t-shirts, hoodies, or flannel shirts thinking short rides don't need protection. The reality? Even at just 30 miles per hour, sliding across asphalt can remove skin down to the bone in under 2 seconds. A motorcycle jacket is designed specifically to resist abrasion and absorb impact energy. Modern jackets use specialized textiles like cordura or thick leather that can withstand hundreds of feet of sliding without tearing apart. Without this barrier, your skin becomes the barrier, and it loses every time. Emergency room studies consistently show that riders without jackets suffer deeper, longer-lasting injuries, even in minor spills. So, no matter how short the ride or how hot the day, treat your jacket like your helmet. You wear it every single time. It's not optional, it's life-saving equipment. Number 2. Riding with an unzipped or loose jacket. Even riders who wear jackets often make the fatal error of leaving them half-zipped or flapping open. It might feel cooler or more comfortable, but it completely defeats the jacket's purpose. In a crash, a loose jacket will twist, ride up, or even rip off your body entirely, leaving your arms, shoulders, and chest unprotected. Jackets are engineered to stay snug during high-speed slides, but only if they're fully secured. This means zipping up the main front closure, fastening cuffs, and cinching waist or arm adjusters. US riding instructors stress this point. Your jacket should stay firmly in place when you tug on it, with no chance of sliding off. Make it a habit before every ride. Zip everything, snug the straps, and tuck in loose flaps. Think of it like buckling your seatbelt. Once you're moving, it's too late to fix it. Number 3. Choosing style over safety. A huge number of riders pick jackets based purely on how they look, ignoring what's inside them. That sleek cafe racer leather might look great at bike night, but if it lacks CE-rated armor or abrasion panels, it's basically just streetwear. This is one of the most dangerous misconceptions. True motorcycle jackets are engineered to take impacts, and sliding forces fashion jackets are not. Riding jackets include reinforced stitching, impact-absorbing armor in the shoulders, elbows, and spine, and high-denier materials that don't shred on contact with asphalt. If you go down at speed wearing a thin leather fashion jacket, it can tear apart in less than a second. Always check the safety certifications like CE Level 1 or 2 armor and material specs before buying. The goal isn't just to look good, it's to walk away. Stylish jackets are fine, but only if they're purpose-built to protect you. Number 4. Wearing the wrong jacket for the weather. Another widespread mistake is assuming one jacket works for all conditions. US weather can swing from blistering desert heat to icy mountain winds, and using the wrong gear for the climate can be dangerous. Wearing a heavy, non-vented leather jacket on a 100-degree Fahrenheit summer day can cause dehydration, heat stroke, and fatigue. On the flip side, riding in a thin mesh jacket during cold winter winds can lead to numb hands and slow reaction times. Both extremes compromise your focus and safety. Smart riders either keep multiple seasonal jackets or invest in a modular jacket with removable liners and zippered vents. Use mesh or vented textile jackets for summer, and insulated waterproof ones with thermal liners for cold or wet conditions. Comfort equals focus, and focus equals safety. Don't let the wrong jacket for the weather quietly sabotage your riding awareness. Most riders overpay or miss hidden issues when buying a motorcycle. Our Pro Edition Survival Blueprint shows you how to inspect like a mechanic, avoid costly breakdowns, and negotiate so you never pay more than market value. Link is in the pinned comment. Number 5. Wearing an ill-fitting jacket. Fit is one of the most underestimated safety factors. Riders often choose jackets that are too big or too small, and both choices can ruin their protection. A loose jacket can twist around your body in a slide, allowing armor to shift off your elbows and shoulders, leaving bone exposed. A too tight jacket can restrict movement, limit steering input, and even rip open on impact because the seams are overstressed. The correct fit is snug yet flexible. The armor should stay centered on your joints as you move. The sleeves should reach your wrists in riding position, and you should be able to fully turn the bars without the jacket pulling across your back or shoulders. Think of it like a race car harness, tight enough to stay put, but not so tight that it hampers your control. Safety depends on a secure fit. Number 6. Skipping the armor. Many riders assume the outer fabric alone will save them, but that's only half true. Abrasion resistance keeps your skin off the pavement, but impact protection requires armor, and riding without it is like wearing a helmet shell with no foam liner. Unfortunately, lots of riders either remove their armor for comfort or buy fashion-style jackets that come without it. This is extremely risky. Shoulder, elbow, and back protectors absorb and spread the force of a crash, drastically reducing fractures and joint injuries. CE-certified armor is designed to compress and dissipate energy that would otherwise go straight into your bones. Always confirm that your jacket has armor installed in every pocket, and if not, buy quality inserts. The fabric saves your skin, the armor saves your skeleton. You need both. Don't leave those armor pockets empty. Number 7. Neglecting maintenance and care. Even the best jacket becomes useless if you let it rot. Sweat, rain, UV light, and road grime slowly degrade both leather and textile materials. Leather stiffens and cracks if it's never conditioned. Textile fabrics lose their abrasion resistance when they're caked with dirt or mildew. Zippers and Velcro can fail if clogged with grit. Neglecting your jacket doesn't just make it look bad, it makes it fail when you need it most. Every few months, give it a full cleaning. Use mild soap and water on textile and dedicated cleaners and conditioners on leather. Rinse away salt and bugs, dry it fully, and store it on a wide hanger in a cool, shaded place. Avoid tossing it in a damp garage corner where mold and UV light will destroy it. A little care extends the life of your jacket and ensures it's battle-ready when you need it. Number 8. Failing to replace old armor or gear. Motorcycle jackets don't last forever. Many riders hang on to the same gear for a decade or more, not realizing the internal armor and stitching break down over time. The foam or polymer in protective pads gets brittle from age, heat, and UV exposure, losing its ability to absorb impacts. Leather dries and becomes prone to tearing. Textiles can fray or delaminate under stress. Industry experts recommend replacing armor every 3 to 5 years, even if it's never been in a crash. If your pads feel hard, cracked, or permanently compressed, they won't protect you. Likewise, if your jacket's outer shell shows deep wear, loose seams, or crusty leather, it's time to retire it. Think of your jacket like a helmet. Invisible aging damage can render it ineffective. Upgrading old gear ensures you aren't riding with a false sense of security. Number 9. Ignoring visibility features. The last big mistake is treating your jacket as just protection from crashes, and forgetting it can prevent crashes in the first place. Most collisions happen because drivers simply don't see the motorcycle. Wearing a dark, non-reflective jacket makes you nearly invisible in low light or rain. Visibility is protection. Jackets with bright colors, high-vis panels, or reflective strips can be seen from hundreds of feet away, giving distracted drivers precious extra seconds to notice you. If your jacket is dark, add retro-reflective tape to the back, arms, or helmet. You can also wear a high-vis vest over your jacket at night or in heavy traffic. This small change massively increases your conspicuity, which might be the difference between being noticed or being hit. Staying visible is just as important as staying armored, because avoidance is always better than impact. Each of these mistakes silently reduces your safety, and most riders don't even realize they're doing them. But the fix is simple. Wear a real riding jacket, wear it right, and take care of it. Correcting even one of these errors could be the reason you walk away from a crash. Before your next ride, check your jacket. Is it zipped, snug, armored, maintained, and visible?